This is the AM8 dynamic microphone, and for around $50, it's honestly kind of impressive. But does it have what it takes to be my new main microphone? Let's find out. The microphone comes in this very purple box. Inside, we are greeted by the user manual with setup instructions, the microphone's metal base, which to my surprise feels solid and has a rubberized bottom to prevent it from slipping. The thread on the base is at 3/8 of an inch, but the microphone features a built-in dual-threaded yoke mount that supports both 5/8 of an inch and 3/8 of an inch stand thread, so you can screw it directly onto most boom arms or mic stands without needing an adapter. Nice. And the dynamic microphone with a pre-installed foam screen. The microphone is made of plastic and it feels extremely light. If it wasn't for the yoke, this thing will almost fly off your hands. Here you have a size comparison between the Rode PodMic and the AM8 microphone. And even though the PodMic is a lot smaller, it is also a lot heavier. Let's compare exactly what that weight difference is. The PodMic is 870 grams and the AM8 is only 383 grams, so big difference. We also find a 6.5 feet or 2 meters USB-C to USB-A cable for the USB connection. At the bottom of the mic, we find a female XLR, a USB-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the front, the mic has two cheap-feeling plastic knobs. One is to control the volume of the mic, and the other one is to control the headphone volume. There's also a touch button which you press to change the light effects on the microphone, or if you hold it for 3 seconds, it will turn off the light completely. Now at the back of the mic, there's another touch button, and this one is to mute the microphone. To set up this microphone is extremely easy. All you have to do is plug in the USB cable to the back of the microphone and plug that cable to your computer and you're all ready to go. And you must be saying, sure Edwin, that's all good and dandy, but how does the microphone actually sound? And this is the part when I blow your minds and tell you that the audio in this whole video was recorded using this microphone. Up to now, all of my videos in this channel have been recorded mostly using the Zoom H1n, and here I am gonna play for you a comparison between the two mics. That way you can get an idea on how differently each mic sounds. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Clean 8-Bit. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Clean 8-Bit. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe. Now to summarize, I really like the multiple connections and dials this microphone has, giving you a lot of freedom on how to use the microphone without having to depend on any software. I also love the price. I got mine for $54.99, but as of the recording of this video, you can get one for only $44.99. Now that is insanely cheap. I'll put the link down below if you're interested in purchasing this microphone right now. It's honestly quite a deal. I also like the fact that they included a foam windscreen and a metal base. But all of that would be for nothing if the microphone sounded like shit. Luckily, I really like the way it sounds. There are only two things I don't like about this microphone. The first one is the construction of the mic. It feels very plastic and cheap. However, you rarely have to touch the darn thing, so it's not a big issue. The second thing I don't like about it, it's its size. It's a big boy. And if you're gonna have it on camera, such as using it for live streams or talking head videos, it will take a lot of real estate. And on top of that, you have the lights on, it can become quite distracting. I will be using it mostly for voiceovers, so I can live with its size. Well, there you have it. Would you consider buying this microphone? Let me know down in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful or somewhat entertaining. Subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to clean 8-bit.